how to play music through mic on Roblox. So for this we'll need a small application called Voice Meter. You go ahead and just download this application. This is going to be our interface. Press on download. Alright, so this is going to be an archive. You can just open it up and just drag this, for example, to your desktop. Alright, now let's install it. Alright, so just install it to your PC. Okay, installation is now complete. Now guys, just go ahead and open up some kind of game. Alright, I think this game is pretty cool. So let's just open it up. Alright, and now guys, let us go back to the voice meter. Okay, and now you need to go to your settings. After that guys, just press on A1, and from here, from this little drop down, if you use speakers, choose them. If you use headphones, choose the headphones. So I'm just going to choose my speakers. Okay, and after that, let us go back to Roblox. And now in Roblox, you go to the settings right over here. Then you go to the settings of your microphone. So after that, you will need to find your input device. For some reason, for me, it's missing. So as you can see, I have the output device and you'll have the input device. And instead of the usual driver, you just choose the voice meter driver in here. And then after you play your music, it's going to be kind of transported and sent to your microphone inside of the game. And you just run around. And if you want to play music, it's pretty easy to do. You will just turn on some track. And instead of using your real microphone, you will use your voice meter driver. And it will be played inside of a game. So pretty easy, guys. And if this video helped you out, guys, once again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.